Hello everyone, welcome to our event submission module. The first thing you're going to want to do is log into SetterSync. This will be your home page once you log in. On the left-hand side, you'll see a profile picture of your club or organization. That's from the main hub that gets you to everything. You can click on that, go to Events, and it'll bring you to a page with all of your event submissions. You're going to click that blue Create Event button. Here's where you'll start putting in all the details of whatever event you want to submit for. So I'm just going to put in test event for training modules. You can also select a theme. So I'm going to put learning just because this one is an educational type of module. And you're also going to put a description of your event. So you want to make sure people on SetterSync, other students, know what's going on at this event. So if it's going to be just test event for training modules, I would obviously add a little bit more detail here, let them know we'll be going over how to submit an event on SetterSync. If you want additional organizations to host with you, for example, if I want Active Minds, I would search for them in that type bar there, select them when they pop up, and then they'll be added and it'll show up on their page as well. This is how you reserve the time and place.
You're going to select Add Location manually, then choose the date and time that you would like the event to start, and the end date and end time. Then you're going to select the location option and type in the space that you'd like to use on campus. For departments, you're going to make sure you contact special events ahead of time to see what rooms are available. And then once one is reserved through the back end system, you'll type in that location where it says location name. Then at the bottom, you'll select Save, and you see that the location shows up underneath the date.
If it's a recurring meeting, you can select that Add Another Date button and then go through the same process with however many dates you may have for that event or meeting. Event visibility, often you can just leave it as is, but you could also change things there. The event categories, you can also categorize even more so than the theme. I'm going to put academic educational, meeting, and a training workshop. You can also put different perks and benefits for your attendees, like free food, free stuff, or credit for classes if that's an option. And then if you are having your event outside and need a rain location just in case, you would put that there. That's really important to make sure we reserve that additional space for you as well. If you would like your event to be an RSVP event, you can select these options here. And if you only have a certain number of supplies, for example, you can put RSVP spots there. If you have any questions about what types of events would need RSVPs, you can always talk to us in our office and we can help you out with that part. You're going to check all that and then select Next. This is also post-event feedback, not a required option for your event submission, but you can always take a look at it or ask us for help. You want to upload a photo for your event. If you choose not to select a photo, the theme that you choose in the beginning, so for example, I picked learning, will auto-generate an image.
At this point, you can select the complete submission option and your event will be automatically approved.
And you are all set.